How to use McDonald's application without signing in to your account. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can use McDonald's application without signing in. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, we will see what we can do without signing in into McDonald's. So if you opened up the McDonald's application and if you're not signed in yet, so in McDonald's, what you can do is without signing in, you can browse the full McDonald's menu to see all of the items and the prices as you can see on this interface. You could also find the nearby restaurant or the locations with maps, also the opening hours and services like drive-thru or delivery too, as you can see here under the services. But in some reasons, you might be able to preview current deals and offers, but you won't be able to redeem them without signing into your account. So these are the things that you can do without signing in. But if you are not signed in, then you cannot place an order, you cannot earn or redeem the reward points, or you cannot save your favorite orders or payment information. And also, you will not have any access to exclusive app only deals and coupons if you're not signed in. So I hope you are clear now about the things that you can do without signing in and the things that you cannot do without signing in into the McDonald's application. So if you want to earn and use your reward points, or if you want to order for pickup and delivery, and also access to exclusive app only deals and promotions, you have to log in into the McDonald's application or the account. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.